Let's begin by diving into the intriguing world of dark matter. We'll take a trip through the cosmos to discover that there's something invisible, yet incredibly influential at play. We'll explore the concept of dark matter, a mysterious substance that doesn't interact with light but makes up a significant portion of the universe. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that share button for more exciting content like this. Let's begin into the video. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that constitutes a significant portion of the universe. It is called dark because it does not interact with or emit electromagnetic radiation, such as light or heat. Dark matter cannot be directly observed with current technologies, making it challenging to study and understand its nature. Despite its invisibility, the presence of dark matter is inferred through its gravitational effects on visible matter and light. Scientists have observed that the visible matter, such as stars and galaxies, does not account for the gravitational forces that hold these structures together. The gravitational influence of dark matter is necessary to explain the observed motions of stars within galaxies and the clustering of galaxies within galaxy clusters. The exact composition of dark matter is still unknown. It is believed to be made up of non-baryonic particles, which means it is not composed of the same particles as normal matter, such as protons and neutrons. Various theoretical models propose different types of particles that could constitute dark matter, including weakly interacting massive particles, WIMPs, and axions, but these particles have yet to be directly detected. The presence of dark matter has a profound impact on the large-scale structure and evolution of the universe. Its gravitational effects influence the formation and growth of galaxies and galaxy clusters, contributing to the cosmic web-like structure observed in the distribution of matter in the universe. Scientists continue to investigate and search for direct evidence of dark matter through experiments conducted in deep underground laboratories and high-energy particle colliders. By unraveling the mysteries of dark matter, we hope to gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental nature of the universe and its evolution.